界呢，我们认为是台湾之光，但是台湾之光我有一个解释，我认为台湾之光不应该像一个烟火一样的，它虽然灿烂，但是却这么短暂就一闪即逝。我宁愿它更像一盏明灯，像一盏灯塔或是探照灯。但不管如何，若是没有各位我刚刚所提到的这些人的帮助，其实教没有办法发展到今天这样的一个成就。谢谢你们今天的参加。
Thank you， 谢谢。
Congratulations to Horizon on their 30-year anniversary.
It's been a pleasure to work with Horizon over the past decade.
Looking forward to an outstanding 2018.
Cheers to Horizon.
Cheers.
Yeah, we want to congratulate Horizon on the 30th anniversary.
Wishing the families and the staff from Horizon all the best, and Toy on the best product in the world.
And again, I'm absolutely looking forward to 2018 and beyond.
Thank you to John and his lovely wife Alice and all the Horizon staff for a wonderful 2018 open house.
Thanks for inviting us to be part of the Horizon family.
Congratulations to our new buyers for 2017-18, and I'd like to wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year.
Promises to be a wonderful year. Wishing everybody success.
I look forward to an enduring success with Horizon, and thank you for building such beautiful boats.
Big thank you for all the hospitality that extended to myself and our team at One Brokerage. We're pleased to be part of the Horizon family and joining on the journey and sell many more yachts into the future.
To the entire Horizon team, thank you for everything. Best wishes in 2018 and at the open house this year.
Congratulations to Horizon, to John and his whole team for the last 30 years and everything they have accomplished, and wishing them all the best for the next 300 years, building great boats in a great country with great people and with great clients, and look forward to being part of that.
Taiwan!